Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we will unpacking a 2.5 hard drive enclosure. Alright, so let's open it up. This is how it looks like. What is inside? The USB cable, and the enclosure. It's just a little box. How do you open this? You do not come in with any instruction, set the specifications, but so let's figure out how to open it up. There is no marks, so this is the front, or this is the top, and in the bottom we can see a little bit of pins right there. So I am assuming that you push this back. Well, it's giving me a hard time. What about we press it down? We press the middle. Oh, okay. I hear the click, and then you slice it out. And that's how it is inside. Those are the pins for the 2.5 hard drive. All right, so now let's test it. Let's get it back to the desk and test it. Okay, we are here back in the desk. This is the enclosure. We're going to test it. Like I mentioned, this is a 2.5 enclosure. It's a USB 3.0 and 3.1. It's very fast. Okay, so you open it up just like that. Now, in the inside, it comes in with two little rubbers with the stickers. Probably it comes in just to hold the disc in place, but I'm not going to use this. I have a spare disc. Now this is not a SSD hard drive. This is a HDD, meaning the HDD is the one who have moving parts inside. But I selected this because it can use either one of them. So you get this, and then you put, well, I mean, to be honest, the way that I normally do this, I see the pins. You see how long those pins there are in this side, and I check, and I see the long pins in this side. So I match those pins with this. So I slice it over, touching the pins, and then click it in position. You heard the click? That's how it is. Now to take it out, you have to push the drive a little bit, not too much, a little bit out, and then take it out. Like this. But for now, we're going to test it. Slice it in, take the cover out, put it back in. Oh, okay, I actually see what those stickers are for. to see the difference. I don't know if you can see the difference. You can see the gap in here. Maybe those stickers, they are to fill those gaps. So the sticker is not, so the hard drive is not doing this. For now, I'm not going to, stick it in, but I'm going to present it in there for now, because we are in the phase of testing. Okay, so it's already in. We're connecting, so we are ready. Okay, we are ready to connect it. That's supposed to be plug and play. I heard the noise in the computer, and we have right there, it shows that we have a hard drive. Okay, here it is. So I can see the hard drive right here. So let's open it up. But not yet. I just want to open it up. All right, this is the drive. Let's put, like I mentioned, this hard drive actually was coming from the PlayStation 4 that I replaced it with the HDD drive, the one that is solid. Now in this enclosure, you can have any extra hard drive that you have running around, and you can use it as a regular external hard drive just to put stuff, to keep files, anything that you want. So it's just right here. It's very simple. When you are ready to disconnect it, always go right here, and if you see right here, eject external drive, that is the safe way just to remove anything from the computer. One other thing, remember the 5-second rules. When you disconnecting any moving part hard drive, like a HDD that is moving, the disk is moving. So at the moment that you unplug it, wait 5 seconds to the needle go back to the default position, so that way you can move it. If for some reason you're receiving any error, let me show you a tips. And there is a lot of controversy with this about AIs. Like I always say, like the big book say, if I give you a fish, you will eat for 1 day, but if I teach you to fish, you will eat for the rest of your life. So I will teach you how troubleshooting. Do you have a friend that always know a lot of computers and you always asking questions about it, but sometimes this friend is not available? Well, this is a easy way to do it using AI. You can open the browser and you can go to ChatGPT, Gemini, or simple Google AI mode right here. For this video, we're going to use AI mode. Let's click it right here, and it will come out with a simple screen asking you what do you want, and then you can type something. I have this hard drive HDD in an enclosure in Windows that do not show in my PC, and then you click go, and it will give you instructions or exactly what to do. One thing I want to make real clear, everything that you do in the computer, it have consequences. So you got to be really careful. What do you click? What commands do you do in your Windows? Because if you do a wrong command, not meaning that the AI is going to give you a wrong command, meaning that if you start doing stuff by yourself, clicking here, clicking there, you can actually have a big mistake and delete your entire hard drive. You follow the instructions, and then if something not work the way that it's supposed to do, you type it again. This is not working, or for example, I can't see the drive. And then it will give you more instructions of what to do. Like I say, this is a good method just to troubleshooting actually anything. So the enclosure is working well. You can use it for pictures, videos, anything that you want. And then use it as an external hard drive, like an spare, to put files and things like that. Alright, so we just tested. As you can see, it worked very well. There's not much to test it. This is like we're using it now like an external hard drive. Take the USB again. Let's open it up. Like I say, in the bottom, push it over a little bit and take it out. And those stickers that just the word inside. It's actually good. I like it. I like the little blue light. I'm telling you. If you're interested in one of these, I'm going to add information in the description on how you can get them. But I really like it. I recommend it. Alright, this is our Mascot. And I think she approved it. So if she approved it, it's a good enclosure hard drive. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell for more videos like this. I think she is more concerned in doing something else. Alright, see you later. See you next time. Bye now.